Didn't think I'd be making a continuation video, but here we are. The customer has authorized us to do a complete motor teardown so we can get this thing machined over to machine shop, make sure that the rings are good, make sure that the head's still flat, all that stuff. So we have the head off. The head is over here. There's nothing to see here. The head just looks like a head. But as far as the rest of the stuff, when we started taking it apart, this is just sort of preference, but the PCV lock breather was not replaced. That is an OE unit. Looks like it's original off of the 2.0. Then the water pump looks like it's just a standard replacement unit. Personally, I would try to go with the Ecoboost ones. They're nicer, but it's at least an OE replacement. You know, the company that did this assembly didn't even use their own balance shaft delete. It doesn't even have a logo on it, and I know they have their own. Then we get to the head gasket. We did get to the head gasket. Customer paid for a Cometic head gasket, and this is an Apex. I've never heard of Apex, but I've also never seen one of these head gaskets. It looks just like a standard replacement. Then we get to some scarier stuff. So let's take a look at these bores. So you can see some crosshatch in there, but you can also see some really rough crosshatching in some of these. Like this one definitely has some rough stuff going on. I hope the camera can show. This looks terrible over there. And some of the bore looks okay. And some of it looks bad over here. And then the pistons, of course, are terrible looking. This could be attributed to either the PCV system not operating, oil blow-by, anything of the like. So let's rotate it over. Let's take a look at those other two pistons. Those other two bores. So let's get those there. Also, side note, this motor was supposed to be decked down in order to give more compression. I don't know if it has or not. But the piston to head clearance looks like it's pretty much dead on. So if there was supposed to be a clearance there, then yes, it has been decked down. But I can't comment on that. So let's take a look at those bores. And nothing else to see. Oh yeah, I forgot to mention, every one of these head studs was extremely driven down. I didn't see any evidence of Loctite, so I have to assume they were just sent in with all the force possible. So my two snap-on bits rounded off. Look at that, that's rounded off. And that one's now rounded off. I had to actually use the double nut trick in order to get one of them out. The threads on the last one I pulled, the first thread on the stud was actually flattened out, so it looks like they were just sent in. No threads were chased. According to the instructions, you're supposed to hand thread them in. They should go in with no effort, or the threads need to be chased. Oh yeah, when I pulled this balance shaft delete out, it actually wasn't tight at all. It was held in by the Loctite. Zero effort, hand tight. So that's something.